Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest development in the Indian economy. In today's video, we dive into the optimistic vision of Dinesh Khara, Chairman of the State Bank of India (SBI), who believes that India is well on its way to becoming a $5 trillion economy by the 2025. Join us as we discuss the key factors driving this growth and role of SBI this remarkable journey. Dinesh Khara asserts that India's current growth rate trajectory position it favorably to achieve the $5 trillion economy goal. With the economy already reaching $3.5 trillion, India has been growing at an impressive rate. The country has been expanding by approximately $1 trillion every 3 years, but recently the growth rate was averaged $750 billion annually. This growth trajectory indicates within the next 2 years, India add another $1.5 trillion to its economy. Despite global macroeconomic concerns such as peaking inflations, rising interest rates, and slowing growth, India is better placed to withstand any potential recessionary impact. In a recent period of report of World Economic Outlet update projected global rate to fall to 2.9% in 2023. However, India prospect emphasizing importance of financial inclusion, strengthening the micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs ecosystems and building an inclusive economy by 2047. Let's dive into the key levers that identify as propelling India's growth engine. Firstly, there is a significant focus on infrastructure development. With the ongoing investment in this sector, the core industry is expected to witness decent growth, creating solid foundation for economic expansion. Secondly, the potential growth of electric vehicles, EVs, batteries, and chip manufacturing. As India embraces the EV revaluations, and advances in semiconductor technology, these sectors are expected to play a crucial role in shaping the country's economic landscape. The third lever driving India's growth is its ambition to become a global manufacturing hub. Through the initiative like the Production Linked Initiative PLI scheme and effort to attract global manufacturers, India aims to bolster its domestic manufacturing capabilities, securing economic growth and job creation. As chairman of SBI, Dinesh Khara, the bank role in leading to these sectors and strengthening this overall banking system in India, SBI being present in all sub-segments of Indian economy, understand the ground realities and its commitment to offering the necessary financial products and services to support the country's aspiration. Further emphasizes the importance of digitization as a key driver of an inclusive economy. By democratizing the payment system and minimizing the linkage, and digitization play a vital role in ensuring equitable access to financial services and entitlements. Recognizing the challenges of financial inclusion, while India has made significant progress in terms of digital money flow, there remains a gap with them comes to borrowing abilities. He emphasized the needs to change societal perception around borrowing and increases individual level borrowing to GDP ratio. Lastly, the critical role of micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs in the Indian economy. However, data suggests that only 14% of the 63 million MSMEs have access to formal credit. SBI aims to address this gap and continue supporting the MSMEs ecosystem. ensuring the growth and contribution to overall economy. As this discussion on Indian path towards 5 trillion economy, it is clear that Dinesh Khare vision backed by State Bank of India is fueled by optimism and deep commitment to the country development. With a focus on infrastructures, emerging industries, financial inclusions and MSMEs, India is the positioned to become a global growth engine. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please like and share and subscribe it with others too who might be interested. Stay tuned for further updates on Indian economic journey. Until next time, goodbye.